Bye.
Constipated.
Hey, Ray.
I need to pee really bad. The toilet's right there. She's forcing me to do it. I need to take a piss, but I'm gonna be honest.
How's life? It's pretty good.
She's constipated.
This girl.
Show him the toilet.
No, I'm not gonna. Oh my god.
Toilet.
She's gonna piss in there right now.
Yeah, I'm pissing it.
And I'm gonna change my diaper here. Yeah.
We banged before this video.
We totally did.
We broke the door next door.
Yeah. Kinda went too hard on each other.
I look like a CD.
Oh my.
You farted? And by the way,
Swim. You won Ratchet Award. It's a video. Oh! Hooray!
they're both constipated.
Come in here and flash your tits on here.
Got bigger.
They're both constipated.
Constipated. Why were your nipples?
I really need a pee. Somebody needs to hold me.
Hey, imagine if every time you sneeze, you turned into a different gender. So like you sneeze and you turn into guy. Sneeze again, you turn into girl. Guy, girl.
That's confusing. How am I supposed to?
Imagine if you were like.
Sorry. Don't post these. Don't post these.
Especially the one where I look like shit.
We love you
Bye.
so much. Please love us back.